Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going into a brand new product from Tekton Tools, and I will have their website linked down in the description. I'll also have the tools and tools continued link of other tools that I suggest if you guys are interested. But today we're going to be taking a first look at the new USA made Tekton pick and hook set. And I really hope you guys enjoy. I'll be going over the pricing, some of the specs. I'll be posting up pictures and stuff of kind of some of the information that they share on the website, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. Now keep in mind, this is just a first look video. I'm literally unboxing them right now. We're taking a look at them. Then I'll use them at work for about a month or so, and I will bring them back and update you guys and let you guys know my thoughts. And hopefully, I know a lot of you guys have also picked it up, so let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments, and I really hope you guy enjoy the video. Let's go ahead and get into this. We're looking at the Tekton's pick and hook set. This is a 5-piece set. It's the whole set. New product from them, and let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments. So this is how it comes packaged. Here's the part number: Papa November Hotel 90101, and then you can buy these individually as well for $6. The full set like this is $5. Okay, so what we have here is the straight pick. I will be posting up some pictures that Tekton has on their website to share a little bit more information with you, like the heat treated steel, the hardness, how the shaft is laid into the handle or molded into the handle to prevent it from coming out. It has 2 blades on it. Some cheaper sets it won't have anything on the bottom part of the shaft of the blade. It'll just be, standard rod. Then some will have knurling, and then the better sets will have that blade system where it's kind of pinched out to prevent it from rolling. After use, it'll prevent it from twisting inside the handle and coming out. Good design there. And this is the straight pick, and it has a 30-degree tip. Not sure how well that's picking up, but each one has a 30-degree tip, and then this is, and I mean the beveling of the tip, and then this is their 45-degree tip, their 90-degree pick, and then they have their 2 hooks, one being at 90 degrees, one being at 180. And you can see the blades are a black oxide, kind of like their original screwdrivers, where you can get them in black oxide or chrome. This is going to be that black oxide coating on here, so it's not going to chip off like a paint or anything like that would. And then looking at this, for their hard handle design, they have went with the same hard handle design that they released their screwdrivers in. So Tekton has their tri-lobe high torque screwdrivers, and then they have their hard handle 4-sided screwdrivers, and these are going to be made in the USA. Same thing with the picks, 100% made in the USA. So like when you see Tekton's bit screwdrivers, these handles come in black or red, and this portion is made in Taiwan. The handles are made in the USA, but when it comes to their screwdrivers and their picks, they're now all 100% made in the USA, which is really nice, especially for the price. $6 each, or a whole set of 5 for $20. I mean, you can't really pass it up. For $20, you get a 5-piece USA made set. I'd say that's a killer deal. So I have the gear wrench, like 7-piece, I believe it is. It comes with the 4 smaller picks and then 3 larger ones. And the gear wrench, these smaller ones have been okay. They're nothing like fantastic, but for the price, the 7-piece set is a fantastic deal, especially with the 3 larger ones. And I haven't really had any issues with these. I've bent the tip a little bit on this guy. It's got some decent use to it. The hook gets used a decent amount, same with the 90. This double bend, I don't use all that often. It doesn't really get used all that much, but these are made China or Taiwan, but pretty good for a 7-piece set. So if you guys would like a video in the future, since this is just kind of a first look, I've literally just got them, haven't got to use them or anything, so I'll keep you guys updated, but I would like to use them a little bit more. But if you guys would like, before that video, I would like to use them so I can compare them to this cheap set that I have from Harbor Freight, my gear wrench set, and then I also have a Matco pick set that are the longer, slim ones that I keep in my work van. So I'm going to toss these in my work van and use them for a month or so, and then possibly update you guys with these, comparing them to the other design picks that I have. If you guys would like to see that video, please drop a comment down below, so we'll go more in depth on that. But I should have some pictures posted up throughout this video. Now I'll just kind of give you a close-up. I do really like the size of the handle that they went with. You can see here, it's a nice slim design, but I love this four-sided handle design that they have on their screwdrivers. It's very comfortable, it's rugged, it's very strong. So I really enjoy this handle on their screwdrivers, and I'm really glad that they incorporated it with their picks. So here you can just see it's literally just a smaller design. It's just a smaller version of the screwdrivers. There's just kind of a close-up look of all of them. The only cons to this set is I noticed people stating that there's nowhere on here on any of the picks that actually states made in the USA. You know, kind of like their screwdrivers and everything have USA on them. The picks, there's nothing to indicate USA made, but they are 100% made in the USA. And then the only other con that I've heard people complaining about is the fact that they don't come in any organizer. Like with the screwdrivers, if you get a larger set, they'll come in a little Ernst style rubber rail. So I would have liked to see these, you know, even if they weren't in a blow molded case, you know, where they were just alternating like this. Even if it didn't come in a blow molded case, maybe offer, like the screwdrivers, a smaller version of that rubber rail to possibly hold these on. But then again, it's really not a big deal. It's a pick set, so these will, you know, they're very small, so I can literally toss them in a drawer. They're not going to take up any space. Or if I toss them in my toolbox in my van, it's not going to take up any space. I'll have a cubby specific for it. So really, the picks aren't a big deal, but it is something that people have mentioned that they thought would be a nice addition to the pick set. But I think for $20, once again, you're getting a fantastic deal. There's not many other USA made pick sets out there, especially for that $20 price range. So I think Tekton has done a really good job on these. We'll see how they hold up over the next month or so. I'll keep you guys updated. Once again, if you guys would like to see a video on the comparison of these to the Gear Wrench, to the Harbor Freight, and to the Matco picks, please just drop a comment down below and I'd be happy to make that video, and as well inform you on how they're holding up over use over the next month or so. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. I'll have the Tekton website linked down below for you guys if you guys are interested. Also, keep in mind you get that 10% in rewards for anything that you purchase on the Tekton website, and free shipping as long as you create a free account with them. So it's a really good deal. And keep in mind, this video was just kind of a first look at the pick set. Not really doing anything with them, just kind of showing them to you, sharing some of the specs and pictures that they have. And either way, if there's anything that I forgot to mention that you think would be important, please drop a comment down below and I'd be happy to answer any questions or anything like that. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time.